First, they were Tevo, then Homers, and now TevoUp, and they just released the HYDRA 2-in-1, a 3D printer with laser engraving. So, you want to know more about this machine? Then stay tuned.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Rui and this is the ruiraptor YouTube channel. If you want to help us out, you can by giving this video a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also help by joining our Patreon page or by clicking on any of the affiliate links posted below in the video description.
Hi guys, I'm Sandra and today we will check the new HYDRA 3D printer with laser engraving from TevoUp. This machine was just released to the market and can be found at their website. The announced printing volume is 305 by 305 by 400 millimeters. So, let's start by checking what's inside the box. First, we have the user manual, a bag with several items inside, the power cord, safety goggles, a spatula, a USB cable and a sample of PLA filament. This extra laser head is sold separately and is not included with the printer. Then we have the parts for the spool holder, the print head, the standard laser head and the laser shield. Next, we have a small wooden sample to test the laser and an aluminum plate. This plate only comes when buying the extra laser head. Then we have the top half of the printer and finally the bottom half of the printer. Inside the bag we can find a spare flat cable, some metal clips, spare parts, screws, some bearings and small screws, a glue stick, a filament sensor, some zip ties, several tools, and a USB flash drive. And this is everything that came inside the package. These are the two metal plates that will be used as a spool holder. The safety goggles are included and should be used when working with the laser head. The user manual is written only in English language. It looks nice, but there are some steps missing.
And this is the print head. At the front we have the hot end fan and at the side there's a blower for layer cooling. All the heads have several pads at the back side. This is because the HYDRA has a quick and easy way to swap heads, where you just need to slide the head down on the X carriage to install and connect all the components from the head. The HYDRA is set up as direct drive, so the print head includes a dual gear extruder installed above the hot end. The hot end is a V6 type and with the PTFE tube-lined heat break. The print head also includes a touch leveling sensor. The laser head that comes with the printer is this one. This standard model has a max output power of 2.5 watts. At the bottom is the shield, which is secured with magnets. It's also possible to buy a more powerful laser head as upgrade, which is this one. The upgrade one has a max output power of 5.5 watts. And this is the base of the printer. The print surface is a 310 by 310 and 5 mm thick carborundum glass, sitting on an AC thermal pad. The carriage runs on 6 wheels and it's equipped with these cool leveling knobs. At the front, we have the touch display. At the right side, we have the USB connectors and the memory card slot. And at the left, we have a couple of connectors. On both sides, there are slots for installing the vertical profiles from the top half and the wires to connect both Z-stepper motors. At the back, it's the main power connector and the on and off switch. There is no end-stop switch for the Y-axis since the TMC drivers are set to use the sensorless homing feature. To access the electronics, we need to remove the bottom panel. To open the bottom panel, we need to remove all these screws. There's a big fan attached to the panel and it's used to cool down the drivers. When opening the panel, be careful with the wires from the fan. Inside, we have an MKS Robin Nano 3.0 board. It's a 32-bit board and it comes equipped with 4 TMC's 2209 replaceable drivers. The board also includes a Wi-Fi module. The connections look well done, and the wires that connect to the screw-type connectors, they all have ferrules on them. The touch display is this one, and it's also from MakerBase. The power supply is at 24 volts and 8.5 amps. Next to it is the solid-state relay to control the AC heat bit. And this is the top half. There is no end-stop switch for the X-axis as well. All the electrical connections are made by flat cables. And on the X-axis carriage, the electrical connections for the print head and for the laser are done through these pins. For the Z-axis, there are a couple of Z-stepper motors and lead screws, and synced at the top by a timing belt. The Z carriages also include an anti-wobbling system to prevent Z-wobbling related issues. And that's it, you guys. Don't miss our follow-up video where we will show you how to assemble this printer and also the full review. So stay tuned.